This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner's maintenance required light. This light illuminates after a set mileage interval, reminding you it's time for routine service, like an oil change. Resetting it is a simple process you can do yourself in just a few moments. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off, and then locate the small odometer trip reset button on your instrument panel. Now, turn your ignition key to the on position. It's important not to start the engine, just turn the key far enough for the dashboard lights to illuminate. As soon as the ignition is on, immediately press and hold the odometer trip reset button. You'll need to keep this button pressed down firmly throughout the next part of the procedure, so maintain a steady hold. While still holding the odometer trip reset button, observe your dashboard display. You will notice the maintenance required light, or sometimes the odometer display itself, will begin to flash. This flashing sequence typically occurs for about 10 to 15 seconds. It's a visual confirmation that the vehicle's computer is registering your reset command, so keep holding that button. Once the maintenance light stops flashing and turns off completely, you can release the odometer trip reset button. The reset process is now finished. To confirm, turn your ignition key completely off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back to the on position. The maintenance required light should no longer be illuminated, indicating a successful reset. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.